Hi students, welcome to our channel Learn from Bone Teachers. Today we are going to discuss about non-communicable disease. For better understanding, make sure you have watched the previous videos. The link is given in the description. So let's start the session. Let's see what is meant by non-communicable disease. Non-communicable disease is a disease caused due to multiple causes and are not transmitted directly or indirectly from one person to another. So, in simple terms, we can say these diseases are non-infectious. It means it will not transmit from one person to another. So, these kind of diseases are called non-communicable, or we can say non-transmissible or non-infectious disease. In previous parts, we have learned about communicable disease, that is infectious disease, and we know it's mainly due to bacteria, virus, fungi, etc. So, tell me, how does non-communicable disease occurs? What is the reason behind? There are mainly four types of non-communicable diseases. First one called the organic or degenerative disease. These diseases are due to malfunctioning of some important organs in our body. Example, heart diseases like defect in heart valves, defect in blood pumping, etc. Such disease we know it will not transmit from one person to another. The second type of non-communicable disease are called the deficiency diseases. These diseases are produced by deficiency of nutrients, or can be minerals, vitamins, and hormones. One simple example is diabetes. We know it occurs due to deficiency of hormone called the insulin. In next section, we will discuss diabetes in detail. The third category of non-communicable disease is allergy. Allergy is the over-response of our immune system. It is caused when body is hypersensitive to certain substance like dust, pollen, etc. The last one is called cancer. Cancer is the condition happens due to the uncontrolled growth of certain cells in the body. In coming sessions, we will discuss cancer in detail. Move on to the risk factors for the non-communicable disease. First one, obviously, genetics. Most of the hereditary disease we are getting from parents. Then we can say age. We know at old age we get many diseases like degenerative diseases. Then sex. Some diseases like color blindness, hemophilia are mainly found in men. So sex also a risk factor. Then we can say habits of the person such as smoking and alcohol consumption. Unhealthy diet, physical activity, lack of exercise. Then we can say environmental factors, water and air pollution. Pollution creates many health issues. And the last one we can say stress. Stress leads to hypertension, and hypertension further leads to many diseases. Students, you have to know the exact differences between communicable and non-communicable disease. So in this given table, you can see all the major differences. Let's see one by one. Communicable disease. It's also called the infectious disease or transmissible disease. Same way, non-communicable diseases are called the non-infectious, or we can say non-transmissible disease. Next point, communicable diseases are easy to spread. Listen, it's very easy to spread from one person to another person. Non-communicable disease cannot be transmitted from one person to another person. Third point, communicable diseases are mainly caused by pathogen. See, it is caused by pathogen. So the reason for communicable disease will be definitely a living organism, such as virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, helminths, or we can say worms. But non-communicable diseases are due to allergies, deficiency of vitamins, hormones, lifestyle, unhealthy diet, pollution, etc. The fourth main difference is communicable diseases are seasonal, or we can say short duration. What is mean by that? I will say one simple example. Mosquito will be abundant during rainy season. So that time malaria, chikungunya, dengue fever will be very common. So we can say it will be seasonal and last for short duration. Non-communicable diseases are mainly hereditary, like color blindness, hemophilia, or even we can say diabetes. So it will not be a seasonal disease, and definitely it's going to last for very long time in our body. So student, this is the overall view about the non-communicable disease. Hope you like the session. If you like our video, please press the like button, subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.